Ever wondered about the intricate laws and regulations that CDL drivers have to follow? Well, buckle up because we're about to take a deep dive into the world of commercial motor vehicle rules. Now you might think, why should I care about CDL regulations? That's a fair question. The truth is, these regulations play a crucial role in ensuring the safety of not just the drivers, but also everyone sharing the road with them. They're enforced by some pretty heavyweight authorities too, like the U.S. Department of Transportation and the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, or FMCSA for short. These bodies oversee a vast array of rules, from driver qualifications to vehicle maintenance standards, all aimed at promoting safe and efficient transport. So it's clear that CDL drivers have to follow a myriad of regulations. But what are these rules exactly? Let's find out. CDL regulations can seem like a maze, but once you understand the specifics, it all starts to make sense. Let's delve into some of the key rules. First off, let's talk about hours of service, known as HOS. This Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration regulation limits the number of consecutive hours a driver can operate a commercial vehicle. It's all about promoting safety and preventing driver fatigue. Now, onto drug and alcohol testing policies. The U.S. Department of Transportation mandates random substance testing for all CDL drivers. Any driver found under the influence while on duty faces severe penalties, including license suspension. It's not a risk worth taking. Next, we have vehicle maintenance and inspection requirements. Regular inspections are mandatory to ensure that commercial vehicles meet safety standards. These inspections can be as frequent as daily, depending on the state and the vehicle's usage. And of course, there are state-specific laws. Each state has its own set of rules that CDL drivers must adhere to, in addition to federal regulations. It's essential to be aware of these laws, especially if you're driving across state lines. Lastly, let's not forget company policies. Your employer may have additional rules and requirements that you need to follow. These can range from safety protocols to customer service standards. It's not just about knowing the rules, but also about staying in compliance. So how do CDL drivers ensure they're on the right side of the law? Compliance isn't just a buzzword, it's the cornerstone of a successful and safe CDL career. Staying on the right side of the law is as simple as keeping accurate records, conducting thorough vehicle inspections, and respecting those all-important rest periods. It's about maintaining a balance between efficiency and safety, never sacrificing one for the other. So, ensure your logs are up to date, your vehicle is in top shape, and you're well rested. Remember, understanding and adhering to CDL regulations not only ensures a smooth ride but also keeps our roads safer. So, there you have it. The world of CDL regulations may seem daunting, but it's all in a day's work for our hardworking CDL drivers. These laws are crucial to ensure safety, compliance, and efficiency in the transportation industry. Next time you see a commercial vehicle on the road, you'll have a better understanding of the rules that guide their journey. Stay tuned for more exciting insights into the world of CDL driving.